Halo Infinite is an upcoming first-person shooter video game co-developed by 343 Industries and SkyBox Labs and published by Xbox Game Studios for Microsoft Windows, Xbox One, and Xbox Series X. The game is set to be released as a launch title for Xbox Series X in late 2020, the sixth main entry of the Halo series, and the 14th game overall. It continues the story of the Master Chief as the third chapter of the Reclaimer saga, following Halo 5, Guardians. The storyline of Halo Infinite will be much more human, with Master Chief playing a more central role than in Halo 5, Guardians. The E3 2018 trailer indicated that the story will be set on a Halo ring and showcased the design of Master Chief's Mark V armor to return to the design seen in Halo 2 and Halo 3. Halo Infinite is being developed by 343 Industries using the new Slipspace engine. According to Microsoft, Master Chief returns in Halo Infinite with his greatest adventure yet to save humanity. The story had entered planning stages in 2015. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.